not turned in, the bearer of the leaflet would have been killed.
Sir, you mentioned that you were instructed to turn 150 degrees versus 180 degrees. Can you tell us why 150 degrees, and can you tell us how far away you think you were by the time you...
I can, yes. The bomb, when it exploded here, was a zero, just about a zero. And then that shock wave gradually expanded like this. So you were always getting tangent to, do I just want to say tangent?
Yes.
Yes. You're already going to be tangent to that expanding shock wave. And hey, the scientists figured it out.
Do you know how far away you were?
We were, by radar, I was checking on by radar, and we were 12 miles away when the bomb exploded.
Thank you so much for what you did for our nation.
Why did they pick Hiroshima as the first Japanese city to drop the bomb on?
Number one, Hiroshima had never before been bombed by any other means. The scientists did not want to bomb a city that had, like Tokyo, that had fire bombs, or Yokohama, or any of those cities, because they didn't want an argument taking place afterwards about whether the damage had been done by the atomic bomb or by prior bombing. That was number one. Number two, Hiroshima was an important military complex for Japan at that time because a Japanese army was located there. And by the way, about 25% of the casualties in Japan, in Hiroshima, were Japanese army people that were killed by the invasion there. The Fifth Army, I think it was either the Fifth Army or Second Army, was located at the Hiroshima Castle there. Plus, a divisional headquarters was there also. So there were a lot of military people there. Thirdly, all of the materiel going over to the island of Shikoku was going through Hiroshima. That materiel was being shipped to the island of Shikoku for the defense of Japan in case of invasion, which was supposed to take place 2 to 3 weeks after we dropped the bomb. I'm glad we didn't have to do it, because the Japanese, if you read the history books written after the war, you find out that the Japanese knew exactly where we were going to land. They knew had their guns zeroed in and everything of that type. It would have been a bloody, bloody, bloody invasion.
I think you may have already